Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can link or connect your OKX wallet address on Pixelverse Dashboard. So guys, the first step you have to take now is to go over to the description of this video. You're going to see a link that you need to tap on. Once you tap on the link, it's going to direct you right here. So guys, what you have to do is to go over to the description, tap on that link, then it will direct you to Pixelverse Dashboard. So guys, after that, what you have to do now is to tap on that wallet icon. You can see the wallet icon there at the top. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the list of options that we have. You can see the first one is OKX, the second one is Bybit, the third one is Wallet Connect for wallets like Trust Wallet. The last one right there is MetaMask. So guys, in case you have a MetaMask wallet, you can use your MetaMask wallet. In case you have Trust Wallet, what you have to do is to tap on where you can see Wallet Connect. You can see it there. But guys, in this video tutorial, I'm going to be doing for OKX. So what I have to do now is to scroll upwards. So let me scroll upwards now. Then I have to tap on OKX. So guys, let me tap on OKX real quick. So guys, now you can see I'm being directed to OKX. So guys, now you can see the notification right there. So what I have to do now is to tap on where you can see confirm. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. Wow guys, can see welcome to the club buddy. So guys, what you have to do right here now is to tap on go to registration. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, this is where you need to sign in. I need to sign in with your email. So what you have to do now is to provide your email in the provided field. Then you have to toggle on that. You can see that box right there. You have to tick that box. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So those are the two things you need to do. So let me go ahead now to input my email. Then after that, then I will tick on that box to confirm and agree to the terms. Then what I will do right away now is to tap on where you can see sign in. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there, enter verification code. So guys, what you have to do now is to go over to your inbox, your email inbox, to get the code that has been sent to your email address. So guys, let me go and get mine. I've gotten it already. So let me paste it right away now. Let me paste it so guys can see it. So now it's loading. So let's just wait a few seconds. Wow guys, can see I've been logged into my account. You can see here's my account. So guys, let me tap on the mini icon on the left. So guys, now you can see this is my profile, my referrals, pets, tax. There are tasks that you actually need to do. So guys can see, let me go back. So guys, now you can see this is my, I tapped on referral. You can see this is my referral link, this is my referral code. Let me go back now. Let me tap on tax. So guys, now you can see these are the tasks that I need to do. You can see these are tasks that I need to do to claim more points, to claim more reward. So guys, now this is how you can actually connect your OKX to Pixelverse Dashboard. See you in the next upload.